One of the major issues that we have with Calvin's car is that he has an aftermarket exhaust, but it is still quiet. So today, our goal is to fix that issue with the ISR test pipe.
It ain't gonna do shit. It ain't gonna do shit.
This is actually the last piece we need to completely complete that. This is the last piece we need to complete the exhaust. You have to be completely ISR all the way from the Cobra all the way to the back. So this will replace the cat that is currently in the car. So his car will no longer pass smog in California, but that is okay because he already got his smog test. Removing the cat will not only make the car louder, but it will get more gains. And the gains is the most important factor because Calvin's all about those gains, baby.
What gains? Where are my gains at, G?
And if you guys can't tell, Calvin actually washed his car today, which took me the utmost of my ability to persuade him to wash his car. He did a half-assed job. It is definitely better than nothing.
I didn't do a half-assed job. What you talking?
You did a 1 bucket wash.
I didn't use a bucket. I did 0 bucket. The only reason I washed my car is because TJ wouldn't stop eating my I was getting tired. Have I scraped my exhaust? Oh, it's a good fucking scrape.
Have you? Oh, you really gave her a good one, bro.
I am fucking sending.
All right, so here is the piece we're going to replace today. Stock cat gets removal. Look at this DIY gasket Mickey made.
It looks disgusting.
Oh my God, it worked though.
I have the new piece here. We're just gonna bolt her up.
Oh, fitment looks a little off, but maybe with some
little fabrication.
with some KL fab, we might be able to fix that one up.
If Mickey was here, he'd be shaking his head.
Mickey's always here, and he's just like, let me fucking. That's what he always does. Mickey's not here because he's in Vegas right now.
That's right, Mick.
He's partying like crazy. So while he's partying and just having the time of his life, we're just gonna host.
If Dustin could, I mean, Mickey could just take away his car.
Are you leaking right here?
My transmission's making weird noises. Am I leaking? I think so. Is that purple? Is that perp? It might be the perp, Teej. Look at this bunk shit Mickey did. He gets mad at us on camera for doing bunk shit, and then he does bunk shit, but it's alright, because it's Mickey. His beard says it's fine. Oh, don't get 12 minutes of the same fucking thing. Oh, it's pretty good seeing.
Yeah, man! Now that that portion is off, it's time to replace that with a new test pipe. Luckily, the test pipe came with gaskets because this Mickey Mod gasket. Cal, can you get that on camera? Can you?
Dude, I can't. I don't. The Mickey Mod gasket.
It's a Mickey Mod.
How
is she gonna look, Cal?
Oh, she's nice.
Let's clean up both these flanges. Oh, look at this. Look at this.
Look at that Mickey Mod.
Oh my God.
What is that? You watched him do it. Is the thing. You're just as guilty as Mickey.
Okay, no. It's like
what, Teach? What is it like?
You know when you're growing up and you're watching your dad fix something and you know he's doing it incorrect, but you know if you speak up, he's gonna get pissed and then put a bar of soap in your mouth so you just don't say anything and you're like, well, I guess I'll just wait till it breaks, right? You know what I mean? That's
I know exactly what you mean because I helped Danny put in a stereo system and Danny's dad came out of nowhere. He was like, yeah, just throw that ground anywhere. And I'm like, you don't. And then fucking weeks later, like, oh, it doesn't work.
Yeah, it's kind of one of those times you're just better keeping your mouth shut. Like, it will work, but like, okay.
Breaking news, TJ, we're on the scene. Come on, it's hot. Evan Beckerman is out here stealing TJ's mods, his rep mod, and putting it on his car. TJ, let's look at this. What is going on here?
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
I can confirm this is an atrocity. it does not belong in the car community.
What is going on? And this, I'm reporting that this blue tape is where he's gonna cut it. What kind of shape is that?
Calvin, I have to report we have a breaking witness on the scene. He goes by Ev Bex with the mustache.
This is your car.
This is beautiful. This is
glorious.
glorious. I'm gonna make these and sell them. Who wants to buy them? Swipe up.
Hello, my name is TJ Hunt, and I can confirm he is a racer.
That's the title of my video, baby. So.
Back to you, Bob, at the studio. Thanks, Jim. Thanks. I'm sorry you guys have to deal with that. Take the wall out.
You're slimy.
Put it in the thing.
Alright, it can hang.
Time for the moment we've all been waiting for. Does Calvin's car still sound like a grandma's car? Are you ready?
I hope so.
Are you ready? Fucking just squirted juice all over me.
Quiet when she needs to be. How I like it.
We have a special guest coming into the shop today. He goes by Jay Garcia. You guys have seen him once or twice in the vlogs. He owns a crazy GTR. I'm gonna stop myself there. I'm gonna let his car speak for him.
Nice, buddy.
This car makes me miss mine so bad.
You know how we got rid of the old GTR, you know? The car that what was the title of the Huracan video?
The car I kept a secret.
The car I kept a secret. It's actually not my car. It's my Kuya's car.
I've shown this car in multiple vlogs. You guys have seen it here and then. Today, Jake, he came over because he wanted to drop off some shirts.
Hey, come see back your shirt. Get a little self-plug. Plug if you want to pick up a sweet Aim Game shirt.
The links will be down below.
While it's here, I asked Jay if he could give us like a car check to kind of walk through everything on his car. How long have you had the car and what have you done to it so far?
I had the car since May of 2016, and for now I just did the exterior and the interior.
Just some light exterior mods to the
Just
car.
a little bit.
What's the kit called?
Aim Game GT.
So it's a full wide body kit. Rear fenders, front fenders, side skirt, rear diffuser, which is massive, and the whale tail, right?
And the wheels too. But a lot of people don't know it, but they make wheels too.
So these are the wheels that go in hand with the wide body itself. Do you get these with the kit, or like is it an option that that it comes with the kit? Okay. What are the specs on the wheels? Do you know?
The rear is 20 by 14 and a half.
14 and a half?
No, I'm lying.
Oh, I was
12
like,
and a half.
okay.
12 and a half.
Okay, I was like, what? I was like, what? Okay, all right.
Fronts are 20 by 11 and a half.
Okay.
The offsets are gnarly on the rear though. They're like -60.
Is this a stock GTR front bumper or is this aftermarket?
That's aftermarket. That's the Aim Game front bumper too.
Woo, babe. And performance-wise, it's stock, right?
Well, I have mid-pipe exhaust from Meisterschaft for now. Saving up for my lady's ring, so that's got to come first.
Respect. All right, now my favorite part about this car, besides the wide body, is the interior. Jake, can you open up the car and show us the interior of it?
Yeah, it's full custom.
I didn't know. I thought that was like a factory.
No, it's at a local shop. They do any kind of stitching you want, any kind of pattern, any color, anything you want.
And it smells great. You can't smell it, guys, but
It's just good.
smells like oranges. Oh, it's so killer.
My Aim Game buddy in the back.
Is that a teddy bear in the back?
Yeah, it's an Aim Game teddy bear. The door panels too.
Oh, they did. What the?
I wanted them to. I wanted them to follow the stock pattern here, so it looks almost factory. But
Yeah.
not.
I thought it was factory, but
It looks
you got
like
me.
You want it to look
I
like
got-
a Nissan type of upgrade type deal.
Right. I wanted to do the 6-point roll cage too from like Studio RSR. They did it, so we worked together. I was their first GTR. They do nothing but roll cages.
Right.
But I was their first GTR.
That's pretty special.
Yeah. Dream car, dream cage. You just want to do it all.
It's one of those rare occasions, and also don't mind the massive sun in my face. I can't even see you guys right now. We've got one of those rare occasions where there's just like nobody in our business complex right now, so we're gonna take advantage of that and take some pictures out here. I've said this for a long time, it's one of my favorite GTRs. I'd like to get some pictures of it if possible.
Oh my god. Like I just drool over that every time I see it. He's running the Airlift 3P system, the same ones I was running on my GTR. I just missed the sound, guys. Like, I missed the way this car sounds. All right, you're good there? Yeah. For dinner tonight, I took Sabrina out to an Italian restaurant that we went to a couple days ago with everybody. Everyone liked it so much, we came back tonight. This is very different to me, and I'm growing up here because I ordered a glass of wine. And I typically don't like wine, but I tried wine last time I was here, and I absolutely like loved it.
Wait, did you
Which was weird. And I'm sure a bunch of you guys aren't 21 yet. Or maybe you are, but I'm growing up, baby, drinking wine.
Did you get the same glass that you got last time? The same glass you got last time?
Yeah.
Are you gonna share with me?
No. You're driving. Everybody, do not drink and drive.
One glass of wine.
I just saved a life on the road. Oh, babe. Sabrina, don't drink and drive. Oh, looks like I'm driving home now. That's a big glass of wine, baby.
That's not the same.
Throwback to a couple nights ago to South Park, baby.
Where are my car keys?
Oh, do not tell me you lost your car keys. Please don't.
They're not in here.
Rip, guys, just kidding. We were going back to the restaurant because Sabrina left her car keys. Did you leave them in the ignition? It's a pretty noob move. It's a level 1 noob move.
They're in my car.
Oh my God, guys, you've witnessed my life in a nutshell.
Oh, please.
Whenever your car is broken, just a little duct tape mod, just holding up the bumpy. That's what it's for.
What kind of car is that?
I thought it was your car. It's a Camry with the duct tape mod.
I don't have a Camry. I'm way cooler than.
Oh, son of a beach. Ooh, son of a beach.
Get it? Like bitch, beach, son of a beach.
I may have had too much wine to drink. I love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out. And keep moving forward.
And I'm feeling